New tonight, warming shelters are available to people who've lost their power, but for some, those shelters are hard to reach. Nashville city leaders tell us they're working to provide solutions for those who are still suffering after the storm. Fox 17 News' Karen Aguilar spent the day in hard-hit South Nashville, where a lot of people still don't have power and trees are covering the roads.
People across Nashville already have so much to deal with, but here in this Glencliff neighborhood, I just want you to take a look at this massive tree that has been weighed down by ice. And this tree, as you can see to my left, has been cracked in half, weighing down that power line, causing widespread outages across the city. Residents are asking city leaders for help. Monday, blistering cold envelops Nashville, the ice weighing down trees and power lines, causing outages for hundreds of thousands. In the Glencliff neighborhood, 65-year-old Darlene Hargis is in her car with a portable oxygen tank because they have no power. Dewayne Hargis is her husband.
My wife, who has to have electricity to breathe.
About 15 minutes away is a warming shelter at Nashville Fairgrounds. Robert Thompson, who lives on Elgin Street and Sandon, was able to get to it.
It was cold. I mean, I was freezing.
He's been without power since Saturday morning.
What's it like not being in your home while they fix it?
I hate it. I hate it. I want to go home.
Kelly Carr is at the same warming shelter. She had no power or food.
I've never experienced this before. I've always had.
She tells me she had to walk 2 miles from her home to catch a bus to get here.
And I called the non-emergency number. Nobody answered.
We took some of your concerns to city leaders, including Mayor Freddie O Connell.
New today, we've activated a task force with Chief Drake and Director Chief Swan to establish a call line for people who need to request transportation to a warming center.
Warming centers are all fire stations and police precincts except East and Central. But officials say the only places offering overnight accommodations are Madison and the Southeast Community Center, along with the fairgrounds.
We've got plenty of space there.
Carr hopes things will be better soon.
This is awful.
Nashville's mayor tells me the city is an active response, not recovery, so long-term resources are still being worked out. Reporting in Glencliff, Karen Aguilar, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.